guys, Running Kimono here. So here is my disaster of Walgreens and Meijer in the last week. Just a lot of paper deals, and I had this in a spare room. Sorry, this room is kind of messy. But I had this in my office and it just was taking up like part of the room. Like it just kept growing and growing. And as you guys know, I have my downstairs stockpile all rebuilt, and this is all the extra. So if I could go back in time, I probably wouldn't have done that Walgreens deal with paper towel, because Meijer was just so fantastic last week. But this is all that I have, and it is a lot, and this is all overspill. So this part of this master closet, I am gonna rebuild it and put paper from the bottom to the top. And I think I might remove these hat boxes and then just keep going and try and fill all of this. And this will be for if family needs paper product or for future stockpile sales. So I am gonna check back in a minute and show you guys what I've been doing. Okay, so yeah, this is just an empty closet, and I do have some clothes in here, but not a lot, because here's a fun fact, I don't have really a lot of clothes. I have a lot of clothes that I have a couple multiples of, but I try to stick to a uniform, so I'm not buying clothes all the time. And I know a lot of fashionistas would probably say, you know, are you out of your mind, blah, blah, blah. But I find that for my everyday, all I need is a pair of blue jeans and like a black long sleeve t-shirt or a black t-shirt. Keep it really basic. You know, I might throw a couple $100s at a purse, but I'm really not into clothes in my old age. I would rather have products. I would rather have a mountain of paper products than clothes. So anyhow, we're gonna rebuild this. I will check in a minute, and this is gonna take a couple because it's a lot of paper products. Okay, so this is my first pass at it, and I think this is like pretty organized. I have all of the Walgreens paper here and here, the paper towel and toilet paper. The rest is from Meijer. I still could have gone pretty hard, but oh well. I think I'll survive because the rest is in the basement. Very happy to get it out of that office, and I will be looking for other paper deals. I think my goal is to have the rest of this filled to capacity. Why not? And then I'll gift a lot of this away to family and friends, and then also sell a lot of this. There's a lot of interest too in people buying paper products specifically from me. So yeah, why not? So anyhow, yeah, isn't that just absolutely gorgeous? Okay guys, that's it for this video. I'll catch you in the next one.